Hi, I'm Noonies. Today I am at Glen Helen. I keep calling it Glen Mary Nature Preserve. It's in Yellow Springs, Ohio. I love it out here. I mean, I saw one man coming out on my drive to where I had breakfast at Clifton Mill. Oh, it was so yummy. They give you so much food and the pancakes are huge. I just had one. Well, I couldn't finish it. But some man came out of the woods. I said either he's homeless or he's a through hiker, but I bet he's a hiker of some sort. There's so many parks here, but today we're at Glen Helen. I'm probably just going to do the Emmon Trail. It's a little over a mile, I believe. And just want to let you know it does cost $10 to get in here. They told me when I came in that it's a nonprofit and the money goes straight back into the park. And in the restroom and nature center, well, the nature center where the restroom is, they were so nice. If I were on a through hike, I guess I had trail magic. They offered to hold my trekking poles while I used the facilities, and on my way out they gave me candy. So that was awesome. So we are on our way. Let's start the trail. We're off. Here's the start of the trail. Just came from up there. So cool. I do think I could live out here. I saw this part online. I wanted to walk over it on all trails. Okay. It looked like on the map I want to go left. But there's nothing marking the trail. Habitat restoration area. Oh, this is 14. So let me look at the map and see where I want to go. Whoa, look at that. Nature at its finest. Timber. I heard somebody say there's another one up here. Oh, there. This is so pretty here. I wanted to show you these rocks. They're pretty, but there's groups and groups of people here. It's a beautiful November day, so I'm glad they're here. But it's hard to film so I can show you. Oh, another waterfall. That's why. There's a, see the buck? Right behind the doe. I need to do some research. I thought they said it was the Hope Well. Maybe there's another one, or maybe this Adina, maybe they're part of the Hope Well. There's a squirrel. I want to come out here someday in the middle of the summer when I can explore. A friend of mine came out here and she said it's also part of, I think it's John Bryant State Park and Clifty Falls. I think they all connect. No matter what, I have to come and see this, and then I can come back. But, because I think I'm supposed to stay on the other trail, and I don't have all day to go off. Maybe I'm not supposed to go back here. She just cut right in front of me. Can you see her still? The buck is over there. I'm going to slowly come through here. I want to see what this is. It's okay, baby. I don't want to bother you. Like my cats. The nail is being more skittish. Oh, that's just wood. I thought it might be a fireplace. I hear the buck to the left. Can you see the buck back here? Let's see. He's looking right at us. Okay, I'm gonna walk away now. This is a pretty park. Neat things to see. I totally got off the trail. I think was going the wrong direction. So I went this way once and then I turned around and I think I'm going further away that way. So I think this is the second time on this trek of the woods. Still a ton of people, more trail magic, bless this lady's heart. They were going to the parking lot and she had a printed map. Because the trails are not like trail 1, trail 2, trail 3. There's trail markers all over the place with different numbers like 17, 18, 12, 1, and none of them indicate which trail it is. I did go down, here's an accomplishment, whoop, whoop. I thought I could get back on the trail by going down, and I lost it, the trail, but I was climbing down rocks right at the bottom of my knee. I'm like, yes. So that's something that the last time I hiked, I think I don't know when it was, I would have gone down to my booty. So physical therapy is working. So, oops, just tripped over a root. So, I'll let you know when I'm no longer lost. I think there's a trail marker. I know there's a trail marker up here. I think it's 17 and I went to 18 and I want to go down because I think the trail is right next to 17, right where I turned around. So I'll let you know when I find something new. Hell's bells. That's trail marker 20. I was going in the right direction. There's where I went down and came back up. Whoop, whoop. So let's go back. Hi ho, hi ho. Second time we go. There's a few waterfalls here. Beautiful. Okay, after going more than a mile out of my way, I come to trail map location 10, which I believe I go down there, which looks beautiful. And I came from up there, so when you come down that hill and you see trail map location 10, go to the right, follow the sign that says shortest route to the parking lot. So I'm feeling much better now, not as agitated. This is totally worth getting lost now that I'm back on trail. Because I was thinking, what is the big deal? I really didn't like much about where I was. I didn't film much, but this is gorgeous. Now I would come back here. And now I know where I'm going. One recommendation I have is mark the numbers of the trail down before you come here. Now I know. So cool. Well, I'm where I started practically. I was wondering how I maneuvered around, and I did. So I crossed there and the steps go up, and that's where we started on that trail. Hi, I forgot to do our recap. Actually, I really liked this trail. I know I was a little whiny and a little bitchy in the middle of it. Sorry about that, folks. And I'll probably put that in because you have to know, you have to see all of us vloggers out here. And if we want you to see what we're going through and how the trail is and mistakes that we make, we have to show you. We have to be real. So now that I know, I would come back and do it again. And I think I would want to do an even larger trail next time. I heard about this trail, and so I decided to do it and try to stay pretty much on that one. And it still, I mean, it didn't take long at all to do, even getting lost. So I would recommend it. But like I said, I would mark the numbers down along the trail you want to do. Maybe have it in a piece of paper so you're not stopping to look at your phone like tons of people were doing. They were lost as well as I was, or it looked that way. So that might be helpful if you come here. I'm trying. There was something else I wanted to say, and I don't remember what it was. Thanks for watching, and thanks for going on the adventure with me. Have a good day.